Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Coleman. I'm doing my research design presentation on the difference in the keto diet with different groups of subjects that I sampled. The problem that I investigated for my research design difference is about being on the keto diet. The investigation regarded 3 different groups, which include working out for 2 days while being on the keto diet, working out for 3 days while being on the keto diet, and then working out for 5 days with no keto at all. The groups I tested include the amount of weight lost or gained, and then also what group that they are involved in. I also looked at the effects of the keto diet on the body, on how body mass and composition can also be evaluated. My hypothesis was that participants who are on the keto diet and work out 3 times a week would lose the most weight, followed by participants who work out 2 times a week lose the second most weight, followed by participants who just work out losing the least amount of weight. The keto diet focuses on consuming the high fats and minimizing carbohydrates. The objective of this lifestyle is to use fats as energy rather than relying on carbohydrates as energy. Many people today utilize this diet while working out to lose weight and feel better about themselves. I sampled 21 different people, with 11 being male and 10 being female. There are 3 different groups of participants that included seeing the difference between participants that worked out 3 times a week while on keto, participants that worked out 2 times a week while on the keto diet, and then also participants that weren't on the keto diet at all and worked out 5 times a week. Each group was comprised of 7 different participants, while males and females were intertwined within each group. The data was collected on all 3 groups of the study, which included working out for 2 days a week, 3 days a week while being on the keto diet, or just working out 5 days a week without being on the keto diet. There were a total of 21 participants, as mentioned earlier. The information that I collected was based on 1 week or 5 days of working out. It was based on the amount of weight loss or gain for each participant. Each participant was to weigh in on Monday and then on the following Sunday. This allows the participants to see if they gained or lost any weight for the week. The top results from each group that I collected data from was while working out 3 days a week, the top person lost 6 pounds. While working out for 2 days a week, the top person lost 4 pounds. And then nobody, while not on the keto diet and working out for just 5 days a week, gained 4 pounds. For my method analysis, I conducted a ANOVA where each group was compared to each other to see who lost or gained the most amount of weight between the 3 different groups that I looked at, and throughout the week to see who had the most weight loss or weight gain from each different exercise group. Here's the findings for the data that I found for my first group with being on keto diet for 3 days while working out. The mean was negative 1.71 with 7 participants, the standard deviation being 3.251, a minimum weight loss of 6 pounds, a maximum weight gain of 3 pounds, and the range being 9. For being on keto for 2 days and working out for 2 days, the mean was negative 1.29 with, again, 7 participants, the standard deviation being 2.812 with a minimum of a loss of 4 pounds and a maximum of 3 gained pounds, and the range being 7. And then for no keto and working out for 5 days, the mean was 1. Again, 7 participants. The standard deviation was 2.449 with a high loss pounds of negative 3 and a gain pounds of 4, and the range being 7. In the overall, with all 3 groups, the mean was negative 0.67 with 21 participants, standard deviation of 2.972, a minimum loss of weight of 6 pounds, the maximum gain weight of 4 pounds, and the range being 10. This is my ANOVA test results from the difference in weight gained or weight lost in pounds. There are some simple differences in the means of the group, but none of it did rise above the 0.05 for significance. F equals 1.827 and P equals 0.19. In conclusion, working out and dieting don't always lead to weight loss. From the study that I conducted, it was noticeable to see that participants that decided to do the keto diet, work out 3 times a week, lost the most amount of weight, followed by the participants in the keto diet that worked out 2 times a day, and then the last group was people who worked out 5 times a week and they were not on the keto diet, showed the least amount of weight loss. The reason that participants lost the most amount of weight while working out and being on the keto diet was from minimizing their carb intake. Participants that worked out and did not participate in the keto diet were still eating carbs and didn't lose the same amount of weight as the other participants. Through conducting this analysis, the study showed that decreasing carbs while working out leads to optimal results. Strictly following the keto diet and utilizing physical activity allows participants to display the best results in losing weight. While it's challenging to continuously pursue the lifestyle, it is shown to create a long, healthy, and vibrant life. And this is a reference that I used to help me find some of my data. Thank you everyone for listening.